what kind of plane is this? I really I don't know, and I'd love to know.
So this is a Skycatcher. So 162 is a wonderful trainer plane. It kind of replaced the 150, the 152, which is the initial trainer plane. It's a VFR plane, which means it's not instrument rated, but it's great for training, essentially. So it's relatively inexpensive, which we reflect into our students' cost point.
Oh, okay.
So it's our most affordable plane to fly and train in, and also a very, very good plane to train in because it's got grade A avionics in it.
Nice.
And it's actually very responsive, and it's very safe. So,
awesome.
Yeah, we like this plane.
I haven't been in it yet. I'm very excited.
Let's do it. Let's go inside.
All right.
So, one cool thing about airplanes is you kind of sit in the left side, which is opposite in helicopters, believe it or not. But the reason you sit on the left side is you'll notice that all the gauges are kind of positioned to the left a little bit more. Where you have like a lower dashboard on the right side over there. So it's pretty cool. So I teach from the right side, you learn from the left side because you have easy access to all the really cool gadgets that we have.
Interesting.
Yep. So what do you think you grabbed to fly this thing?
I'm assuming this.
That's a good choice, but you're doing the wrong hand though.
Oh.
Yeah, why? Because that is actually your control. You turn left and right with, and that is your throttle that you just put your right hand on. So you want to keep your hand on the throttle, pretty important thing to have control of your speed, right?
I would imagine.
So yeah, that's really cool. That's like grade A, #1 free instruction.
Woohoo, look at that. All right.
So now you know how to fly, right?
Yeah, I'm a pro.
All right, let's go get this discovery flight. All it takes is $100.
All right, flylouisiana.com.
Let's go.